Hi friends, good evening. That is Omron PLC software like called the CX. That is the CX programmer. That is the CX programmer. You know that C. Now we will discussion the Mitsubishi PLC. The different inputs the show like X0, X1. But if you found the Omron PLC, that's the different. That is the denoted the I. That the I 4 oblique, that is the called the 4.0, that is the 4 point inputs, and the 1 point input, 100 point input, that is the so denoted to I inputs, and like the output denoted to q 0.04, 0.01, that is the similarity. So if you want learn to how can we start the PLC of Omron. And Omron instructions are different. That is the inputs and the outputs. That is the move instruction. That is the CGP instructions and the bulk memory. And how can we others program we are read. Now that will inputs. Inputs is the call the that is the Q and oblique that is 0.00 denoted the outputs. If you want, how can we start the PLC of programmer of Mitsubishi HMI, Omron HMI, and Keynes HMI, and designs of like others PLC. So you can join to me and support and give to positive feedback. So I will support any of the topic like servo motors and others like the Keynes sensors, IV2 and IV3, and different automations parts. So please given to feedback you want this topic is the perfect team connected to me. So I will support any topics regarding of programming and HMI designing. On thank you.